If you're going to start selling on Amazon, you need to learn how to do product research. Give this video a like if you're ready to learn product research. So there are 3 things that I want to talk to you about when it comes to product research. The first way you can do product research is site to site. So basically what you will be doing is you will going to sites like Walmart and cross-referencing those products with the ones on Amazon. Number 2, using software. I like to use AMZ Scout. So basically what you do is you type in the criteria and then you hit search on Amazon and they will pull up all of the listings that hit that criteria. So after you do that, you go site to site. Basically you click on the link and then you reverse engineer where that product is coming from and see if there's a profit. Number 3, using your competition. So if you find that product that does make you a profit, you should go and search that competitor's store. Some products have 5 to 10 competitors, so that will give you a lot of homework and help you find more products. That is actually my favorite one. If you know some ways to do product research, leave a comment down below. I would like to hear your thoughts. If you're going to do product research, you will need a spreadsheet. I will have a link down below to a video showing the spreadsheet that I use and how you can get it. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will be coming out with future videos showing you how to do each one of these methods. Have an awesome day.